Welcome back to Daily Drives, your ultimate destination for discovering the latest innovations, futuristic machines, and the most powerful engineering marvels the world has to offer. If you're passionate about cutting-edge technology, military breakthroughs, and vehicles that redefine performance, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into the battlefield with a beast of modern warfare, introducing the Zvezda 131,060 tank. Model year 2026. This next-generation combat vehicle is rewriting the rules of modern ground warfare. Combining Russian engineering precision with future-forward technology, the Zvezda 131,060 is not just a tank, it's an unstoppable force of power, protection, and performance. Let's begin by talking about what makes this tank so significant. In 2026, built for multi-role battlefield dominance, the Zvezda 131,060 is designed to operate in extreme conditions, from blistering deserts to frozen tundras. It's equipped with an adaptive suspension system that automatically adjusts to terrain, ensuring smooth mobility even on rugged, hostile grounds. Whether it's urban warfare or open-field confrontation, this machine never loses its grip. Powering the Zvezda 131,060 is a hybrid turbo-diesel engine, capable of generating over 2,200 horsepower. With an advanced electric assist mode, the tank can silently approach targets or operate in stealth missions with reduced thermal and noise signatures. This dual-power configuration is a game-changer, giving it superior speed, torque, and acceleration, while lowering its environmental footprint. A surprisingly forward-thinking touch for a war machine, but let's get to the heart of any tank: its armor. The 131,060 features next-gen composite armor fused with reactive layers that can automatically counter incoming projectiles. This includes kinetic shells, tandem warheads, and even drone-delivered explosives. On top of that, an active protection system with 360-degree radar coverage can detect and intercept incoming threats in real time, using micro-missiles or directed energy pulses to neutralize them mid-air. It's like giving the tank its own personal shield. Software turned reality. Moving on to firepower, this is where the Zvezda 131,060 takes no prisoners. It's armed with a fully automated 152mm smoothbore cannon, capable of firing high-velocity, armor-piercing rounds, programmable airburst shells, and precision-guided munitions. The loading system is AI-controlled, significantly reducing reload times and ensuring pinpoint accuracy even while the tank is on the move. And that's not all. The turret comes equipped with a secondary 30mm autocannon for anti-infantry and anti-aircraft defense, along with twin coaxial machine guns and a remote-controlled drone launch system that can deploy recon or kamikaze UAVs directly from the tank. In 2026, this kind of modular weapons platform means one tank can play multiple roles in battle attack, defense, recon, and suppression. Now let's step inside. The crew cabin of the Zvezda 131,060 feels like the cockpit of a 5th-gen fighter jet. Gone are the days of cramped analog interiors. The digital command suite features holographic displays, multi-view infrared and thermal vision feeds, AI-assisted threat analysis, and real-time coordination with other units via a battlefield network grid. Even voice commands and gesture-based controls are implemented for rapid decision-making in the heat of combat. The tank supports a 3-person crew commander, gunner, and driver, all seated in an armored capsule inside the hull for maximum safety. The turret is completely unmanned, further enhancing survivability and reducing crew exposure, with satellite uplinks, automated navigation, and self-repair diagnostics. The Zvezda is closer to being a semi-autonomous battlefield unit than a traditional tank. One of the most futuristic features is its cyber defense system. In an age where digital warfare is as dangerous as physical combat, the Zvezda 131,060 comes equipped with onboard anti-hacking firewalls, electronic countermeasure suites, and data encryption modules, enemy drones, guided missiles, and surveillance. Systems can be jammed or misled within seconds. With all of these capabilities, the Zvezda 131,060 is more than just another entry in the Russian armored fleet. It's a symbol of next-generation military strategy. It's fast, intelligent, highly protected, and brutally powerful. Designed not just to survive, but to dominate any conflict zone it enters, whether used in defense, offensive breakthroughs, or peacekeeping missions. The Zvezda 131,060 delivers. A message loud and clear: the battlefield of the future belongs to those who innovate, adapt, and lead with technology. And that's a wrap for today's deep dive into the Zvezda 131,060 tank, 2026 edition. What do you think of this next-gen armored titan? Could it redefine the way we look at modern warfare? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more content about futuristic vehicles, military machines, and tech evolution, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Daily Drives, and turn on the bell so you're always the first to know what's rolling out next. Until next time, keep your engines running and your curiosity alive. This is Daily Drive signing off.